Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson I will explain worksheet and text and copy work of textbook lesson 9. First I will explain worksheet. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Al-Kindi proposed a plan to dam the Nile. Geometric pattern usually contained verses from Quran. According to Islam, using human figure is forbidden. Islamic empire stretched from Syria to South China. Syrian water wheel is still working. Islam emerged as a religious movement in 622 AD. During the reign of Al-Mamun, astronomical observatories were set up. The House of Wisdom had the largest selection of books in the world. Islamic artists are forbidden from using human figures. A stylized form of decorative handwriting is called calligraphy. 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 Mark T for true and F for false statement. Muslims translated most of the scientific works of antiquity into Arabic. True. The significant achievements made by Muslims led to the naming of this period as the Islamic Golden Age. True. Europeans used water wheel to bring water up from canals and reservoirs. This is number 3rd. False. Number 4th. Muslim scholars did not do much work in the field of astronomy. False. Choose the correct option. Abbasid Caliph Harun al-Rashid inaugurated the House of Wisdom. Islam emerged as a religious movement in 622 AD. During the reign of Al-Mamun, astronomical observatories were set up. Muslim engineers also perfected the water wheel. In the 10th century, Al-Kindi proposed a plan to dam the Nile. Match column A with column B by using pencil. These are the correct words in column C. Islamic Golden Era 8 to 13th century. Muslim engineers perfect water wheel, water channel. Masjids were decorated geometric shapes. Al-Kindi proposed dam to Nile. Islamic Golden Era late end of 15th to 16th century. Islamic Golden Era, late end of 15th to 16th century, unrivaled, having no equal. Humanities, subjects other than science, medieval, related to Middle Ages. Cartography, the art of drawing maps. Empire, group of countries ruled by a single person. Come to notebook work. Presentation of chapter index. Give the heading. First you will write words meaning, English to English words meaning from glossary in your notebook, then come to word sentences. I took 5 words from glossary to make word sentences. Empire, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Radiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was the first caliph of Islamic Empire. Inauguration, he attended the inauguration ceremony of PM, Prime Minister. Mandated, American cities are mandated to pay taxes. Unrivaled, Deer is a place of unrivaled magnificence. Humanities, she is taking course in humanities. Come to question answers. What is the golden age of Islam? The golden age of Islam is the era of 8th century to 13th century, during which Islamic world was ruled by various caliphates and cultural works flourished. Who were the real founder of modern science and technology? Muslims were the real founder of modern science and technology. What method did the Muslim scientists propose to store water in 10th century? Put comma. In 10th century, Al-Kindi proposed a plan to construct dam to store water. Question number 4. How did Muslims decorate their masjids? Muslim of 9th century developed a style of geometric shapes and pattern to decorate masjids. These geometric patterns usually contained verses from the Quran written in stylized form. Can you name some famous scientists of Pakistan? Abdul Salam, Abdul Qadir Khan, Ataur Rahman, Ishfaq Ahmed and Afia Siddiqui. Afia Siddiqui are some famous scientists of Pakistan. Write S with it. Write this work in your notebook and worksheet. Bring your copies, worksheet and calligraphy book for checking to the school. Stay safe at home. God bless you.